start with a surprising statistic about how much faster Windows can be with just a few tweaks. You can follow these steps on Windows 11 and Windows 10. First, check Windows Update. It is the same on both Windows. Make sure to update your Windows. Click on Download and Install. Open Settings. Search for Graphic Settings. Change default graphic settings. Hardware Accelerate GPU on this option. Search for Startup. I don't need Microsoft Edge. You can off unnecessary apps. On Windows 10 it is the same. Again, find apps. On Windows we have different apps and also we install different apps. Any apps you don't need, just click on, then uninstall. On Windows 11 it's the same. Click on apps, install apps. Here is a list of all apps you have on your system. I don't need this medkit. Click on three dots, uninstall. In this step, open Run. Type here Temp. Here is Temp files. Press Ctrl with A. Shift delete. Yes. If you get this message, click on Continue. Do this for all items. Click on Escape or try again. Again, open Run. You can add percentage after and before temp. Hit Enter. Again, press Ctrl with A, Shift delete. You can do it on Windows 10 also. In this step, open File Explorer, this PC, right click on any drive you have one by one, Properties, click on Disk Cleanup, check all, OK, delete files. It is the same on Windows 11. Search for Power Plan. Open Edit Power Plan. Click in this back button. Here we have different options. If you use laptop, select the recommended. If you use desktop, select high performance. I use laptop. I want to select this one. Now search for View Advanced System Settings. Select Advanced. It adjusts for better performance. Select Adjust for best performance. Then click on Apply. It is the same for Windows 10. Settings. Apply. OK. Guys, I hope you enjoy from this video. Don't forget to like this video. If you are new here, subscribe the channel for more useful content. If you want to install Windows 10 or Windows 11, then watch this video.